Hey guys, what's up with another video, and we are going to unbox a new ball shooter. This is your time to load, Dad. Okay, there it is. Okay. I guess these are the targets. These are what it shoots. And I love it. I love it. We are getting this out first.
That's the stack.
We are, looks like that's going to be able to shoot pretty good. You'll meet me in 1 second, but it's really going to be like an hour. Okay, we're back.
That's sweet. Just like a ribbon. It's got stock. I like that.
It looks pretty dope. Wait until we shoot this though. Also, you might have been wondering why I haven't uploaded a video in a year. Well, that's a long story. You might not want to hear it. I am going to shoot it myself. Dad will be recording now. We got a
Shoot it that way, see how it.
okay, and
It's back all the way. Just go forward.
what do you mean? I can't pull it. Okay. Very warning. And
You gotta go forward more. There you go. What's it, kick?
no, I just did that. Man, this holds more than it looks.
Move forward.
I put 10 in it, and I think it held more.
And kapop. Are you still recording the shooting, or are you just recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Tell me. Okay, it ran out, thankfully, because my arms are very tired. That is basically it. I bet we're gonna use this for lots of wars and like a lot of videos. So yeah, peace guys. I'll make a video in 4 days, and peace.